Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special Valentine's Day DIY for you. You'll see how I make a longer, glamorous bow for the Lisa Scrunchie that I sell in my Etsy shop. The standard Lisa bow is short, playful, and perky. But for Valentine's Day, I've made a longer, more luxurious variation. I chose a wine-colored, lush velvet fabric. You'll need the pattern for the Lisa Scrunchie, which you can get at my Etsy shop, linked in the description box below. We're going to alter the bow pattern piece by cutting it in half and crossing out the notches on the pattern piece. Add more paper to your bow pattern piece so you have a longer bow. I added 33 inches of paper. Remark your notches about 2 inches from the center of your bow pattern piece. So you're going to do that by folding your new pattern piece in half and then measuring out 2 inches from the middle and notching. Cut out your bow using your newly created pattern piece. My new bow is so long that I couldn't get it all in the frame. Remember to mark your notches. This is super important. Now, you're going to want to fold your bow pattern piece in half. We're going to follow the directions to create the Lisa Scrunchie bow as normal, just like in the directions. So we're folding it in half, and we're going to sew from the notches to the end corner. We're going to leave the little gap open in the middle. As you can see, I've sewn from the end corner to the notches, and this gap here is open. This is essential because now we're going to turn the bow inside out. I've already finished one half of this bow, and I'm going to finish the other half by gently pushing the wrong side of the fabric in through the opening and pulling the right side of the fabric out, as you see here. This part can be a little frustrating, but you got this. Just be gentle and put on a funny podcast or YouTube video while you work. And voila, here you go! Your bow is turned inside out. You can press it now if you want. Here you can see the gap that we used to turn it inside out. And now is a good time to slip stitch or machine stitch this closed. Using your machine is faster, but a slip stitch is a cleaner finish. Here's the completed bow, and I'm so excited because we're at our last step. Loop your bow around your scrunchie. Tie it around the scrunchie once. Now, make your bow like you're tying a shoelace. It's super simple. You may have to play around with it for a bit to get the bow that you want, and that's perfectly fine. And there you have it, a romantic scrunchie for Valentine's Day. I love how this turned out, and I hope that you guys try it too. If you make the Lisa Scrunchie, tag me at the Ainsley Life and hashtag it Lisa Scrunchie. I love seeing your creations. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. More info and detailed steps are in the description box below. Have a beautiful Valentine's Day.